Need some help getting your cat?
Oh, yes, thank you. Thank you.
I'm disabled.
Okay, well, that's nice.
No, I'm missing an arm.
How?
Tannerite, I could get you more for your cat.
I'll get someone else. Help! Someone!
Okay.
Nope. Oh, I know. I'll call Floral. He's supposed to be pastoral. Okay, give me the cell phone now.
No.
Voicemail. How will I ever see Fluffy?
Why, hello, madam. You seem as though you are in quite a predicament, as you are a woman and looking rather flustered.
What do you want, troll?
A troll! I'm not a troll. I invite clearly an intellectual business person on a random adventure going down the road, and I am only here to help.
No.
Come on, I can be nice.
Fine.
Okay. Well, you find a shovel.
Why?
Well, it'll make sense in the end, my dear. I am a business professional after all. And, you know what? I could use a self-sealing stem bowl.
Okay. Okay, I'll be right back.
Yeah, that'll help me. For sure. Perfect. Here, kitty. Nailed it.
What's